Wow, we're back again with more Rain World. So let's continue. Man, uh, I really need to I think focus on eating stuff and then napping. Because I don't think there's anything wrong with just kind of sleeping the day away. But I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, and we have a stick thing. I don't wanna, because I feel like the little rocks are easier to find. All right, let's not fucking. Ugh. I don't know why I was struggling jumping last time. But the thing is, can I oh! No! And is that another stick thing? I don't think so. Hmm. Now let's eat. So spear is like our best bet at getting good hits in on enemies and or just straight up killing one. Can I stand up? Thank you. This area, maybe. No, no. I'm gonna be smart. I'm gonna be smart. And I'm gonna put this stuff in my little nap save area for later so we can start off with something better, I suppose. Wait, that was a blue thing. There's a blue guy. Hold up. Wait. What do you mean? I don't know. No. See, and this is why I was smart. And this is why I was smart. And I didn't go travel for the day. Right, right. Jeez. I don't think I can keep spamming that one eat rest area. So I don't know. It's gonna eat 3. We'll start off with 2. Yeah, it's just gonna have to do. Oh no, wait, it's 4. Knock bat flies out the air with projectiles to make them easier to capture. Skewer them with spears to capture multiple at once. Got you. The Bob. Anyone been wanting barbecue? Bueller, I've been wanting barbecue. I really like the smell of barbecue in the warmer seasons. Really comforting. Okay, so we're really gonna have to find food. Goodness, I haven't felt this concerned about eating in this game since just now. Ugh. Oh my god, why? I'm so scared to go there now. I don't want to just straight up die every time. And I'm wondering if I could jump up there, but where would it make me go is what I'm wondering. And I really don't want to use a stake thing too. I don't know. It's like movement or weapons. What do you want? What do you choose? Right, yeah, we don't have any more food there. I guess we gotta go here, because I remember there was food there. But there was enemies there as well. There's no love and light in this game. Meow. Okay, so let's... Oh. No, let's fight them from here. Alright, and now I want to lure him again. No! So just as I move on up, I go back fucking down. Oh my god. Maybe we shouldn't be so... Can I go down here? I guess not. But maybe we shouldn't be so pressed about not being able to advance necessarily. Can I not pick up? Okay, well, never mind, I guess. I thought there was like multiple stakes there that I could pick up. But I guess not. Shit. And now, Loki, I'm kind of stuck here too. What do I make of this? I don't know. I don't know. And where do I get food? I don't really know as well. And the fucking scavengers. Like, I will attack you. I will attack you. Alright, I want to go up here. Oh, is that a bat? I forget what they're called. They're not what I just said, though. They're not bats. But they're something. Okay, well, that's something to. Should we go back? Should we go back? Anything that we can, like, eat for the day? Maybe we should try and just go back. Maybe we should. Let's just try it. Let's try it. But now we're gonna have like no food in our belly for later. It's gonna be really rough. But we have no food. No. Double tapping the pickup button will swap items between your two hands. Oh, the item in your right hand is a primary item. That will be used or thrown first. In my right hand? So if is it like this right hand? Like I don't know. Like this is my left hand, you know, but it's my right. It's actually my right. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. And I don't want to use my valuable stick to figure that out. I don't know what that like head thing is. It kind of looks humanoid. Oh, one food. Well, that's nice. At least there's something. I'm actually really scared to go. Oh, there's a stick up there. Maybe we can actually try and get that. Hold up. Because genuinely, what do we have to lose? Oh. Well. Well. Genuinely not sure if I want to travel here. But you know, it's not like the other side is any better. Oh shit, I dropped my stick. I guess if you fall too far, you will bust your ass. Okay, so... Shit. No, he's seen me. I don't wanna. Ah, he got me. I was trying to see if I could like move through him, but I guess like there's collision where I can't. Maybe he will like maybe he can no. No. 'Cause remember that one time they like what was it? They like shook the shit out of me and I was like free and I think I could have moved. I don't know. I feel like it was kind of that moment for a bit, but maybe not. It's gonna be really hard to get here, I think. I generally don't think we can really advance unless a fucking miracle happens.
Jesus Christ.
We almost just died there. Yeah, let's do something different. Oh, we can't climb up. I was gonna say like maybe we can throw that there so that we can like what you call it? I forget what you call it. Move, like you make new movement for yourself, access new areas. Okay, well hopefully we're not unlucky this time and we can go through there. Where did the bats go? I could have sworn I like hit more bats. Well, there's this one. And there's this one. But we can do this.
Robert.
Shit. No, we can't. We can't. What can I do? This! I can do this. Okay, okay. Move. Move fast. Locking in. New area. Huzzah! Oh, okay. We can't. Oh, shit! We gotta go. We gotta go. Wait, popcorn. Popcorn. Oh no! Let's no. No. What's worse? And we can't go through there. Can we can go through here. We can go through here. We can go through here. That doesn't really lead me anywhere good, huh? Oh! Oh, he just fucking ate the scavenger. Oh my god. Oh. There's no love and life for anyone in this game. Oh, but that's respite. Oh, but that's respite. Oh shit. We gotta go down. Okay, let's go here. So, let me see. Let me think real quick. I think we can kind of make our way back. No. Oh, maybe we kind of can. Maybe. I'm not sure. Cause then, well, there's also this area. Maybe I can go through here, and go all the way through there. Oh, I'm not sure. This is really crazy. Let's just sleep this day off. We did a lot. We progressed in some way. We found a new napping area. And I think that's something to be proud of. Yeah, we still have a long way to go to get to that symbol. I don't know how we're going to manage this. Butterflies and hanging fruits are far from the only sources of food. Some plants and creatures are edible, but only once certain conditions are met. Experiment. Certain. So not everything is edible. Ow, 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 ow. Yes, industrial complex. It sounded kind of scary. Hmm. This area is a little interesting. And no, okay, we can go through here. Oh, food. Splendid. Bitch. Give me my food. I don't know where that guy is, to be honest. Maybe we don't want to figure that out. I don't know where this stuff is. Or maybe I do. Maybe I do. Oh, no. Never mind. Never mind. Shit. Shit. No. No, they got me. I couldn't do the tactic. I couldn't do the tactic. Damn. They double got me. Shit. And I'm dropping back down. Man, what the fuck ever. Give me my rock. It's just me and my rock. I can't really like go up there though, can I? Let's see. Maybe it's this. Or I can like jump here. Okay, yeah, yeah. So we can do that. No, that's not what I wanted to do. And like what's here? I don't think I can really go there. It's okay, I guess. Hmm. Like I don't think I can. What happens if I Oh! Oh! Okay, so we can't go there. Damn, we can't go there. And we can't, I'm just realizing we low-key can't really come here as well. Never mind, I lied. Okay, we have some hope. Hmm. Oh no, I made noise. I made noise, I alerted him. I've been so silent because I'm just so like focused. I don't know. Maybe we can go back to the other area. Oh, he's running away. So, I mean, I guess that's good. Do we really want to go there though? Oh shit. It's here. Okay, well maybe we don't want to go here. Just for now. Let's go back and see what we can do. What can we do? I do want to... did that stun him? Like, I'm not really sure. I feel like it just made him mad, to be honest. And why can't I, like... I could have sworn you can jump up to stuff like this. There you go. Did I ever really go up there? So, now that I'm kind of learning that I can do that, why don't we, like, try? Okay. Oh shit, it's those things. Ah! I don't know what these do. I don't know what these do. Oh, hey, Jules. Ow, you're hurting me, Jules. I hurt you. Oh my god, Jules, stop. Maybe I should get the curse removed. Oh shit. Give me that. Alright. No! Ow. Ow. Oh, it's like getting the bat too. Damn. So I guess it just like kind of makes me stuck. Which, if I'm in like a high stress situation, that's not really good. But I mean, you know, whatever. Whatever. I guess I have been here. You know what? Yeah, let's go to bed because it's starting to get daylight is burning. Whoa! Don't! Oh! Okay, that works. Let's just sleep here. Let's just sleep here. Let's just sleep here. He can go through here.
God! Please!
I'm...
Damn! Damn!
No. I have to fight this. I have to fight this. I can't. I have to fight this. I have to... Maybe. I believe. Guys, I don't think it's working. Oh my god. Okay. No! Blow him up! Blow him up again! Throw me! Throw me! Please throw me! No! Oh, I had it! Shit! No! Oh my god! Oh! No! How is he running so fast? Holy shit. No! Help! And you're gonna be stupid because you're gonna die in the rain. And then what? And then we'll all die in the rain. And then you'll feel stupid. Oh, I wanna make it free. I wanna make it free. Can I do it? Can I do it? In the rain? I don't think I can go around. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Oh my god, like, oh, help me. Help me. In the rain. And why is he dragging me so far? I bet you feel really stupid now, huh? I bet you feel really stupid. Because you can't go out there. Right, 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 right. And now who's the idiot? Now who is the idiot? But I would probably die too if... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, can I survive? No. Okay, yeah. Non-edible items can be put in my belly. Man, that really fucking grinding my gears. What the hell you mean he can get into my room? My room is my safe space, and you have to leave me the fuck alone in my room. Alright? All this trial and tribulation just for that to happen. Man. Alright. Let's run it back. I really thought I could make it. Damn it. Okay, I like really forgot how to like... I'm not sure how you... I guess you just have to like kind of jump and do it. Ah! Shit. We gotta go. Not without my lunchtime meal. Alright, now we can go. Like, I'm thinking, is there any area that we can, like... I really don't think so. I really don't think so. Let's jump, because low-key, we have nothing to lose. Oh, okay. Well, what's this? Can I go through here? Oh, well, okay, right. It would just... Right, it would just bring me there. Right. And then let's go here. But, like, what am I supposed to do here? Shit, nothing, I guess. Ow. That really hurt. And what is here? Oh. Oh, okay. Well, maybe we can get the food from here. Hear me out. Whoa. I don't know why I'm struggling to get this guy, but we will get it. We will get it. Slowly but surely. Okay. Okay. Now, where the hell can we find somewhere to rest? Let's look at this map. Oh, okay. So if we want to sleep here, we can't go back up there unless we go through here. Here. Oh shit. Did he just... What was that? Did he just disappear like straight up? I'm not gonna question it. You know, we survived, and that's all we have to be thankful for. No, wait. He's there? I guess he went through one of his like dragon holes. Let's go through here, right? Because I remember this area. I'm quite familiar with this area. Thanks. Thanks very much. All right. I know this area kind of felt like it wasn't the best either, but it's where I know. It's where I'm comfortable with. And let's be careful going here because we are full, and I like that we're full. This game, I guess in a good way, is so not chill. I feel like I can't like. I just be like, so like I was watching the Mario Galaxy movie, which actually I did watch the Mario Galaxy movie, and I thought it was really nice. I cried a lot. I cried a lot. And I really did like Rosalina. I mean, I've always loved Rosalina ever since like Mario Galaxy first came out. I just loved her. But I also love Pauline now that she's like come out and she's made a name for herself, you know? But yeah. The theme being family is kind of interesting. I do like that, but also it's like I wonder how many people were mad that it was like, what? Rosalina and Peach aren't family? What do you mean? I think I like it as a alternative universe kind of thing, like specifically in the Mario movie, like this is just how the lore is. But outside of that, I would personally like it to be oh my god, it's oh my god, oh my god, I know what it is. 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 Oh, shit. Oh my god, he's so fast. He is so fast. He can't go through that, right? I don't think I want to find out, to be honest. Oh, this game is scary. Leave me alone, guys. Leave me alone. I didn't bother you. Don't bother me. I didn't bother you. Don't bother me. Thank you. I'll let them do their thing. Excuse me. Ow! Alright, you know what? I'm throwing rocks at you. Wait! 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 Hold up. I wanna, like, sleep with this mask. Is it, like, anything special? Can I do anything with it? Maybe I can, like, scare off enemies. Wait. Hey, hold up. I'm kind of like lights pinky. Oh, and let's no, I want the mask. No. No. Wait, I look so cute. Let's just sleep. I hope that the mask will be kept. Because I worked hard for that mask. She worked hard on the money, so you better treat her right. That's right. Maybe I'll watch the birdcage after this. Oh my gosh, we're finally moving up. We're finally moving up. Press diagonally downwards plus the jump button while in motion to initiate a slide. We'll slide across the ground, covering distance quickly for a short period of time. Oh, so maybe that's kind of what I've been doing from time to time. My fucking mask! I worked hard for that mask. Never mind, I have it. All is right in the world. Alright, let's go out with our new and improved mask, and let's see what that does for us. You know, I'm kind of glad at least that we have it, because if we die, we will reload with it again, and maybe we can use it to our advantage of sorts. I look so cute! Oh my gosh. I'm actually like really liking this game. Quite a lot. Are they scared of me? Well, they don't like me. Oh, he's flying away. Does he think I'm friendly? Maybe not, maybe not. Let's see. Oh, no, wait, is that the one? He didn't have a mask. And what's happening right now? Oh, he's like, oh, I'm like dead as hell. Like, there's no coming back for me there. Well, I mean, fuck! I forgot we're jumping down though. Damn it. Alright, so I don't think this mask is doing shit for me. No shade. Things were really looking up here, and now I'm questioning things. Maybe we should hard focus food. I'm not sure. But where can I hard focus food? I don't know, I guess let's go up again. I do have a hard time remembering where food sources are. Alright, let's see what this guy does for us. Oh, is he... Is he like kind of scared? He doesn't seem to like it. Oh! I don't know how I survived that, but I did. I think it's gonna get scarier. Maybe I'll get these foods here. And why is it when they like drop to the floor, I can't pick them up? Because it's like I would assume that I could pick them up because they drop to the floor. But then they zone, so wow. Alright, let's see if we can pick up some food. Well, shit. I can't pick up nothing. Well, we do have some food in our belly. I don't know, is that... I guess that may be all you can ask for. PBH. I want them to, like, come over here. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. What happened to the bat? I thought I got another one. Maybe not. Maybe it was here? Let's see if we can camp out another one. I don't know why, but I do feel a little safer with my mask. I hope it actually does keep me safer. Oh, you know what? Since we're kind of safe here, maybe we can travel. Because what's up here? This is... Oh, shit. I didn't realize that it was so late in the day. Let's go to sleep. Thank God we have our napping area here. And let's sleep it off. This game is so hard. Once we get to that point, I'm gonna see if I can just fucking book it to that area and find like a save. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I think we're gonna have to call it here. I think we're gonna have to call it here. Yeah. Okay, it was nice playing, but I've had my fill of Rain World for the moment. We'll keep playing a little later. Even though I'm like getting mad sometimes or like irritated because it's like I just keep dying all the time. I'm still really liking the game. And once you like get that little step forward and it's like you made some advancement, like I killed my first lizard dragon thing. I got the mask from that fucking freaky ass creature, demonic Cthulhu looking ass creature. I don't know, but either way, I got that mask and that was really nice. Whether it will help me still begs the question, still has to be seen if that will happen. I don't know. And I'm really hoping that next time we can advance our runes, our sigils, our thingamabobs, and then go to that next area. Anyway, hope you have a great day, night. The video ends when I clap.